you still use ChatGPT just for asking random question, then please stop because you are not using 90% of its power. ChatGPT has more features which will help you to enhance your productivity, especially if you are a student or content creator. Hey everyone, it's me Dia welcoming you to this channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you all the features of ChatGPT that you can use to enhance your productivity. So welcome to ChatGPT Masterclass. So our number one feature is uploading photos and files. Now suppose you are a student and tomorrow you are having an exam. Now, if you are having a PDF full of notes and you have less time to prepare for your exam, so what you can do is that you can go to ChatGPT and click on this plus sign. After that, click here, upload photos and files. From here, you can upload the notes PDF of your and then give it a prompt like the given PDF is the notes of my tomorrow's exam. These are all the topics that are there in my exam. Please make a cheat sheet for me which will help me to revise all the topics easily with less time. And ChatGPT will make a short note type notes for you or cheat sheet for you which will help you to revise all the topics easily. Like this, you can just take help from ChatGPT to enhance your study productivity. Our next feature is create image, which is very much helpful for content creators. So what I will do is that at first I will go to ChatGPT and then I will upload a picture of mine, and then I will click on this plus sign and click here in create images. Now give it a prompt which is like I am creating a YouTube video on ChatGPT Masterclass. Please create a thumbnail for my video using the given image in 16:9 ratio. Enter. While it's creating the thumbnail, you can do some other work and save your time, because now manually you do not have to create a thumbnail by yourself. And also if you are a beginner creator just like me, then you also do not have to hire someone, or you do not also have to pay some pro websites to create thumbnail. So here you can see that it has created the thumbnail for me. Now I can download it from here and can use it in my YouTube video. Now let's move to our third feature. Our third feature is voice detection mode. Now let's be real, typing is old school and we all want to save a little time from our busy schedule. So what we can do is that instead of wasting time in creating prompts or giving prompts to ChatGPT, we can use its voice mode. Like you just have to click here in this mic sign. Hey ChatGPT, how are you? Can you tell me what are the 5 AI tools that I should learn in 2026 to stay ahead from others? And this will convert our voice to text. See, it has did it. Now click on enter and it will show you the result. Now there is also another feature in ChatGPT, that is you can talk to it just like a human and it will also give you a response just like human by speaking to you instead of giving text. The same thing that we used to do with Google Assistant, but ChatGPT is more enhanced than Google Assistant because by going to the settings of ChatGPT you can make its voice more humorous. That means whenever it will give you a response, that you will get a feeling that you are talking to a human, not an AI or chatbot. So what you have to do is that you just have to click here in this sign and you can use this feature. Now let's move to our next feature. Our next feature is temporary chats. Now we all know that whenever we are talking to ChatGPT, everything gets stored in its memory. Now suppose we don't want to save anything in ChatGPT's memory for any kind of chat that we want to do with ChatGPT. So what we can do is that click on new chat. Click here in this icon. Now whatever you will talk with ChatGPT, nothing will be saved in its memory. You can see here, check here in my history of ChatGPT. Everything whatever I searched before, everything is there already in the history. But now as it is a temporary chat, whatever I will type here or talk here with ChatGPT, nothing will be stored in its history. So let's do it like this. Can you tell me the difference between AI chatbot and Gen AI? Now you can see nothing is here in this history, only new chat is written. Now if I want to get back, I will click here in this or here, or maybe in new chat. See, everything is gone. So you can see that everything has gone and nothing is there in its history. Now let's move on to our next feature. Our next feature is study and learn mode of ChatGPT, which is very much helpful for students. So instead of directly asking ChatGPT any question, if you are a student and if you want a deep knowledge about any topic or you are not understanding any topic, then ChatGPT can help you to explain that topic just like a teacher. So what you have to do is that you have to click here in this plus sign and then go and click here in study and learn. Now suppose here I give it a prompt. Can you tell me what is the difference between object oriented programming and procedural oriented programming? And now ChatGPT will explain me the topic just like a teacher with real life examples, asking questions, taking tests, all these things. It is just like you are having a home tutor 24/7 available only for you. And it's working. Here you can see it is actually asking me question like a real teacher. So suppose I give option A. My network connection is a little slow. So now it is explaining me that the approach that I do in my programming is the procedural programming, and then it is explaining me what is OOPS, that is object oriented programming, and then what are the difference and all these things. So this mode is very much helpful for students, so you should definitely try this instead of normally or randomly asking question on ChatGPT. You just use this study and learn mode to enhance your productivity. Now let's go to another feature. So have you seen ChatGPT? Whenever you ask to write an email for you or to write a LinkedIn post for you, it always gives you the mail or text or caption, just like anyone can read and understand that it is a code or it is an email or caption written by ChatGPT because of its robotic nature or AI nature. But if you want ChatGPT to think like you, because when it will think like you, it will give you the output more preferable for you. So what you can do is that you can just go to settings, click here in personalization, and here you can make ChatGPT your friend. How? By giving it like the custom instructions, like how you want it to behave, how you want it to give you answers. So you can give it a role or how it should behave, all this thing. Here you can give it a nickname, what you can call it for, because ChatGPT is for everyone, but if you will give a nickname, then it's only yours. Next is occupation, means how you want ChatGPT to work for you, or what is your occupation, so that it can think like you. Next is more about you. This is the most important part, where you can give a prompt or a description of your whole thing, like how you think, what are the professions you belong, what are your interests, your hobbies, all these things. And then ChatGPT will always give you answers in such a way which will be more with which you will feel more connected. Okay. Now there is another setting, which is this one, memory manage. You can click here in manage, and you can manage the memory of ChatGPT, like what are the chats from history you want to delete, or what are the chats from history you want to keep. All this thing you can manage from here. Now let's move to our next feature, which is web search and deep research. Now suppose you want information about a particular topic. So you can use this feature of ChatGPT, which is wave search. Just a second. Wave search. You just click here in this plus, more, and wave search. From here you can select it. So I have already used this feature to check the recent AI investments. Let me show. So here you can see I used the web search feature of ChatGPT and said here recent AI investments, and it has given me all the news related to recent AI investment. Now instead of opening 100 or multiple tabs of Google, I can get information about any topic anytime I want. The another feature is deep research, which is very much useful for researchers or for PhD level students. Like here you can get information about any topic in brief. Now, honestly speaking, I do not use this deep research feature very much, but you should definitely try this to know more about the topics that you are interested in. All the features that I have shown you till now is all the features available with the free version of ChatGPT. Now, if you will take the subscription of ChatGPT, you will get some more enhanced features like agent mode of ChatGPT. That means you can assign some tasks to ChatGPT. Instead of just asking it or getting information about a topic, you can actually let ChatGPT do a tasks for you, like booking train tickets or plane tickets for you, or to see whether in your Google Calendar you are having any free slot in between 3 to 4 p.m. so that you can go out with your friends. Any type of tasks you can let ChatGPT do by using the agent mode of ChatGPT. But for that you have to take the subscription plan of ChatGPT, and you can have one of your personal AI assistant. Now, the next feature that I would like to tell you in this video is the apps and connectors of ChatGPT. That means you can connect other apps to ChatGPT. Now, how to do this? Let me show you. Before this, if you have came this long, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more information about tech and AI, and also do not forget to hit the like button. Now let me show you the app and connector feature of ChatGPT. So what you have to do is that you have to click here in this apps, and from going to here you can connect other apps or websites to ChatGPT. I have connected my Spotify to ChatGPT and asked it to make an playlist of all the songs containing from Shreya Ghoshal. Let me show you this. Wait. So she is my favorite singer. Let me know in the comment section who is your favorite singer. And here you can see at first I have connected Spotify to my ChatGPT, and then here I have given a prompt, make a playlist for Shreya Ghoshal songs in my Spotify account. And here it has suggested to me all the songs which are being sang by her. And now by clicking here in this plus, I can create a playlist for me on Spotify which will have all the songs of her. Now, this is a feature which you can use to connect your Google calendars and to enhance your productivity, like to see what are the tasks you have to do today or tomorrow or in this whole week. And then you can also use it to see that whether you're having any free slot in between. You can connect your Gmail, you can connect your Canva account, and a lot, also your LinkedIn account. But this feature gets more useful when you use the agent mode of ChatGPT, in which it can actually perform tasks for you. Just like you can let ChatGPT write a LinkedIn post for you, or yeah, like this many tasks you can do with it. So taking subscription is just like having some chili flakes over your pizza, but with its free version also you can do a lot. The last thing that I would like to say you is about prompting. So, whenever it comes prompting to your AI tool, always use this RTCROS method, in which R stands for role, the role that you want ChatGPT to play for you. T stands for the task that you want the ChatGPT to do for you. C is the context, like you are saying who you are or what is your profession, so that it can give outputs to your desire. R stands for the response format, like in which format, PDF format, text format, how you want the output to be. Then is the O, which stands for the output tone, and S, which stands for the more specific details about the tasks that you want to give. Now let's try to give prompt to ChatGPT using this prompting method. Now, honestly speaking, in this one video, I cannot give you the whole concept of prompting, how you can prompt AI tools to get more better output. So what you can do is that I thought to bring a video on prompting, like how you can give better prompts to your AI tools to get more good output. So for that, you have to subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification whenever I upload the video. Now let me try to give it a prompt using this method to ChatGPT. So here I have written a simple prompt only. I have given it a role, which is that you are a script writer, means ChatGPT is now working for me like a script writer. Then I have given it a task that to write a script for my YouTube video, and I have also given it the topic. Then in the context I have given that I am a tech influencer in Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So according to that it will give me the response. I can also add the response format as a PDF, so that whatever it will do for me I will get in the PDF form. Means I will click here in the download real script. Everything is downloaded. Now I can see this file. Okay, so it has given me a real script, not a YouTube video script. Maybe in prompt I have written the real script. So whatever, this is the script which I can use and create YouTube video of me. Instead of spending time for writing script by myself, I can use AI for this. And let me know in the comment section if you find any hidden or new feature on ChatGPT. Let's learn together. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.